Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by locking proportions quickly. Draw a long, low rectangle for the body and mark the wheel centers. This sets scale. Once done, sketch the roofline and greenhouse. Why? Because the M3 GTR's stance depends on a low cabin and long hood. Make sure to place the wheels slightly inset from the corners. That creates the aggressive track. Lightly map the front bumper cut line and rear diffuser area so you can refine shapes without erasing heavy lines later. Now concentrate on volumes. Carve the fender bulges and roof curvature so surfaces read in 3 dimensions. You add the Hofmeister kink and wide arches. These define the GTR identity. Once those are placed, block in the kidney grille, quad headlights, and splitter, think of them as flat shapes first, then refine edges. Make sure perspective lines from the wheel centers guide the door and window lines so everything aligns. This prevents a flat-looking car and keeps the design believable. Finish by inking confident lines and erasing construction marks. Vary line weight to suggest depth and material differences, thicker for shadows, thin for sheet edges. Then render wheels, brakes, and lens reflections with deliberate strokes. These details sell the GTR look. If things look off, check one thing first: wheel diameter versus body height. If wheels are too small, everything reads wrong. If needed, nudge wheel arches or roof height slightly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.